Hey guys, I'm doing another update. We've been working on the basement waterproofing. I personally don't remember exactly what I've been showing last time, but basically dug the whole thing out. I rented an excavator for a week. You can get them here at Bay Equipment Rentals. They have 3 locations, so look them up if you're interested in any of that kind of equipment. And yeah, we fixed the crack we had here. For now, just from the outside, we're gonna then fill it with polyethylene and then close it off with a mortar as well. This is hydraulic cement, I believe that's what it's called. Basically, it's a combination of Portland cement, sand, and some adhesives, just to make sure that it doesn't break on us, and it sticks really well to everything else. We took out all the, so there was that pipe in there. Looks like stone, clay, something to that extent. Doesn't do much for the drainage here. We're gonna do French drain. It's basically perforated pipe that takes any water that's sitting next to the house and takes it away. We're gonna probably reuse the pipe that they already had in here. We checked it with a meter, and it went for well over 20 feet, so that should be plenty away from the house. So we're probably just gonna connect to it with our own pipes and let it drain that way. We started marking of where we're gonna be cutting the windows. So I'm gonna extend the windows by about another 2 feet. So this is about 2 feet already, but another 2 feet or so, and then I'm gonna build up a cement well around it. So I ordered the rebar for it already. We're just waiting for it. We're gonna drill into the foundation, connect the rebar, and pour a new well around it. 4 feet by 4 feet, so plenty of space to open up. And then we found a couple more cracks, a couple of holes. So this had a hole right in here. There used to be a pipe of sorts coming out. Not sure where it went, but I'm pretty sure most of the rats came through that hole there. Then we patched up another crack in here. This is waterproofing membrane for the foundation. On top of that, we're gonna put a dimpled plastic, so that basically gonna create a space between the soil and the foundation. So any water that comes across the foundation will drain all the way down to our French drain. So it's not going to be sitting against the house. It has always a path to get to the French drain. And then we dug out some extra space in here. This is where the footings for the deck are going to be. And inside we've been getting ready for electrical and plumbing, but we're slowly getting there.